Third point is all the students should listen carefully which sir teach point and about tell about something topic and rules and study. Yes. Chico,
Agree or disagree?
Disagree.
Disagree. Carry on.
why you disagree?
Because he didn't listen.
Carry on.
बोला
अभी अभी मोदी को याद कर रहा उसके बाद बोल.
You listen carefully.
बोला क्या
You listen carefully.
Agree or disagree?
Disagree.
Why?
Because this is my life. I know what I do in my life.
Speak, speak.
नहीं कर रहा है भाई. अरे ये तो ऑडियंस तो मेरी गायब है, कुछ बोल ले. चीको
याद करो भाई की चीज.
Is don't listen to your teaching.
Okay.
No, I not said. I am not teaching. Listen, teacher.
I am not teaching. चलो भाई.
क्या लेके जा रहा है डंडा? That is, as he said, are you agree with him that you everybody?
I am not agree
You not agree. Carry on.
Why do you not agree?
because I am not agree.
Why?
This is my reason.
अबे भाई
Why I am not agree?
मुझसे नहीं होगा.
Carry on.
I wanna say something. He is leader.
To her, to his leader. Okay. Yes.
He. She make many points,
Okay.
and I see. First line is timing. Today she was late. Why?
From where? You come late before me. You came then.
What?
Okay. Yes, you are it right.
I reached.
And you also have a proof for cycle. Then you came here. Okay.
I am standing three guys. I am only one. I am only.
It's your mistake. You also go from
They
here.
are doing 1v3.
Only I am speaking here, so don't judge them.
Okay.
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 Now speak what you wanna say.
I wanna.
And if I talk to about like
Why are you talking about four guys? You
four
can talk
guys, and you
about.
already speak then
You can
that's
talk
the
about
teacher's
study.
rule. Okay,
Why?
I'm talking
Why?
about.
Why
I'm
you not talking about?
Because
Why you talking about?
Because it is called arguments. Okay.
Everyone behavior. Your behavior
Okay,
or
if I talk to about
amazing.
his study, so
So
I am
you-
telling that how
so
much he
you
is
think-
studying.
I think
Tell
many.
five things. Okay. Only
Okay.
five things. Start.
First thing, many guys are not remember many words meaning. So every day
I should give 10 words.
10 word meaning. Yeah, something.
Second.
First thing is done, and second thing, there are many guys, and he don't know about tenses. Tenses have 12 part.
Only you are the one who don't know tense about, okay? And here is so many people. All people have.
Complete second.
हो तो गई लेकिन क्या बोलेंगे?
I
ताली वाली बचा सकते
नहीं गाली पे मत आना, okay? तुम आ जाती हो.
every day one tense will be complete. It will be improved.
Carry on.
सब एक ही हो जाएगा ना?
Because आगे. Third point.
Third point, I notice in summertime I feel very गर्मी को क्या कहते हैं वैसे hot बोल रहा है
आप तो वैसे बोल सकते हो.
hot because there are one fan only.
अरे सर कितना कॉपी करते हैं ये?
तुम्हारा नहीं है. आप
I want to-
points होता है. Yes. Start.
तुमने स्टडी के बारे में बोला है ना?
चाहिए ऐसी
If I am talking about his study, so I am telling how much he studied. Okay. So my first
Yes.
word meaning.
इससे disagree और तीनों चीज के बारे में वो बता पाएंगे.
Okay, so I am disagree with him. So first point is word meaning.
Yes.
So like he is saying that word meaning always sir wrote 10 word meaning always, है ना? I mean yes. So then everybody, he mean that everybody know that don't know about that word meaning. So I know about that all my word meaning and I wrote also. But he always, whenever sir teach us like rules or like word meaning, so he always keep on talking with his friend and he always watching phone.
इसको ज्यादा बनाओ तो बोलना
And what is his second point? Only 12 tenses. Only 12. Okay. So it means only 12 days. So who can cover on 12 days, only in 12 days whole tenses? Like is he can, so can I ask him? He already completed 3 months. Huh? Okay. So may I ask you? If you are sure, can I ask him?
Yeah, you can, but third one.
Okay, so what's your third point? Like fan or वगैरह वगैरह.
Yes.
So by the way, I am agree with his that here is like in summer, so there is only one fan and here should be put like AC. So I am
What
agree.
about fees increasement? Why
I will increase it. I will increase
why
it.
don't you tell that?
I'll increase it.
Okay, not you, everybody.
Everybody. So I have request to everybody. You should
Carry on.
you should increase your fees. Okay.
So you wanna say, are you agree with that? Agree.
यार इसमें तो सभी होंगे ना सब.
In
Yes.
one topic both are agree, but on two topic you wanna
No,
say
no.
What do you wanna say now? Whatever she said. You forgot, right?
So
That's your problem.
So she said,
अब वहाँ पे रुक सकते हो, डिबेट हो रहा है. टॉपिक होगा, डिबेट होगा.
फर्स्ट पॉइंट रखो अपना.
रख दिया इसने.
मैंने 3 पॉइंट रख दी. First, you will say
Word meaning about.
Word meaning.
I am telling you.
Yes.
this is not important.
Important? What is this?
This is not important.
What is he saying? By the way, he's a TL and he don't know about words.
She
His
don't know-
pronunciation, oh my
she
God,
knows
how
about
much is it
the
bad?
word.
He
But
can't.
all guys, what
All
will you
guys,
do?
what? Why are you studying so much? By the way, you are a TL, maybe. Am I right? And
This is
and
my
you should
concern
teach and he
because
should teach his
there are
team
many
and he's
people
also he
who
and he's
don't
also
know
like
about
this speaking.
many what's meaning. When
Okay.
they come
You
here,
give your next point.
Next
Because you
one.
didn't give your points.
So my point of view is it. Okay. So I wanna say about students' behavior.
You already go to that. How many times?
20 बार हो गया.
Like Amy, right? He said.
No,
Yes, you said.
some कोई और.
नहीं, कोई-
I wanna say about time management.
Okay.
So everybody came late. Like always, the class is like 8 p.m. and always people come late like 8:15 or 8:20 like this.
धोखो डाली भाई, क्या करूं?
So they should come early. And they should come early. And my second point is it that everyone should follow the rules. Like the rules is it that nobody have to speak Hindi in this class, and everybody have to wear this iCard, which he don't have. Like he have, but so many people don't have. Like he.
You can see your
So I am talking about all students, and you just look at your team. Just look at it. I'm talking about whole. Just wear this.
Carry on.
Okay, he have there.
No, I'm not agree with
Carry
that.
on.
He also ever he don't wear this.
I have job.
Jog.
Listen.
It is called jog, not jog. His
What
pronunciation
she
is so
is
bad.
listening.
What?
About job.
Job. So job.
Maybe
What is
his
this?
age is
Job.
not capable.
Jod he is saying. Jod. Okay.
Carry on.
Carry on.
So I have job. I do work.
So what can I?
Carry on.
Listen to me.
So what can I do if he is doing job?
Even the mic.
I'm speaking loudly, not fastly. Okay.
Oh yes.
Said that he comes late every day.
But I never.
You said that you think
Today
that
also I came early.
you think that he comes late.
I mean that
You are
everybody
first of all.
come late.
You are
Some
depend. You
students
are
always
first of
come
all.
late like you,
Listen.
Amy Pro and
She is not
Dyson
getting
Pro.
about. She is not listening.
I
That's why.
already understand what he wanna say.
If I will shoutly
What?
speak, so she will
What?
say that you are.
What do you wanna say? Let him speak first.
Speak.
So you said everybody comes late and he also comes late.
I didn't say.
Listen to me. You
didn't say-
depend on your father and you are depend on your parents, but he is depend on ourselves, on himself. He
So what
do
can I do?
job.
Just a
He
minute.
doesn't have
I
time.
also
He doesn't have time.
I have
He earn the money. He
Like
earn the
I
money.
you should I go
Some
school,
person
I
earn the
go
money. He
school,
earn the money.
also.
He comes
I
late.
also don't have time.
If he is not free like you, he is not free like you.
School, tuition, and I am coming here also. And he didn't go school.
Guys, अब आपकी टीम से बस